The bewitching bride is super confident in her body. She knows she's hot, she knows she's sexy, and she turns heads wherever she goes. The sexy bride is the evening bride, and I felt that a smoky, smoldering eye would be perfect for this. So looking at the outfit, it really made sense to incorporate that color, that blue, into the eyes. So I did my usually smoky eye, but in this case, I used a gradient of blue, fading into a black, and finished off with a pearl pigment in the inner corner. To amp up the smoky eyes, I smudged a black kajal and finished off with a black eyeliner. Since the look is very strong and the eyes are very expressive, I want the lips to be a little bit more natural, but still sensual and still sexy. So I added lots of gloss to make the lips look fuller. So sexy comes with a lot of shine, with a lot of gloss, with a lot of shimmer. To finish this look, I used a setting spray with lots of shimmer particles.